Oh, it's PeaPea's arm. Nothing fell. PeaPea thinks his hammer is effective, but still, no watermelon pieces have fallen. So there's no watermelon inside. That's why nothing fell out. Now PeaPea needs coins. The watermelon piece is a bit small, but that's okay. PeaPea is out of money. PeaPea crawls all the way inside the machine to eat the watermelon. There's no way to stop PeaPea. A lot of watermelon pieces are falling down. PeaPea can eat to his heart's content now. PeaPea returns the watermelon rinds to the machine. If John finds out, PeaPea will be in trouble. Poor John.
Look! John has a giant M&M candy. PeaPea wants to get the candy, but he can't reach the box. PeaPea brings over a superhero spinner. The spinner stopped at Spider-Man. Look! After eating the red candy, PeaPea has turned into Spider-Man. PeaPea shoots webs and successfully unlocks the candy box. Oh no! PeaPea got caught in the spinner. The blue candy turned PeaPea into Superman. Wow! PeaPea finally got the candy down. Oh! It turns out the giant candy is filled with lots of tiny M&Ms. Let's see what the surprise is. What's that lovely smell? The smell is leading PeaPea to a hot and cold room. This door is locked, and PeaPea can't open it. He turns into a tank and successfully breaks down the door. Wow! This room has so much food! The red side of the room is too hot! These M&M candies will melt! PeaPea will move the candy to the blue room. Look! Ray has eaten all of PeaPea's M&Ms. PeaPea knows Ray ate all the candy. Let's dance together. Oh no! The M&M candies have all melted!
Hello, PeaPea. PeaPea is very curious about John's black-pink ice cream machine. To get ice cream, you have to insert money into the machine first. John chooses Oreo ice cream. Why isn't the ice cream falling down yet? PeaPea suddenly remembers that he hasn't put any coins into the machine. Somehow, the ice cream machine keeps rejecting the coins inserted. This method isn't working, PeaPea. This time, PeaPea decides to insert the coin into the machine and quickly covers the slot to trap the money inside. But PeaPea fails again. It turns out that PeaPea used a chocolate coin. This time, he will use a real coin. John doesn't understand what just happened. Poor PeaPea. PeaPea, watch out! Both PeaPea and Ray see a big, beautiful bus. So surprising! PeaPea can't climb on top of the bus. PeaPea will chase Ray to get the bus back. Look! PeaPea is about to catch up with Ray. Oh no! The bus is broken. both Ray and PeaPea are very sad to see the bus broken. They decide to fix the bus together. PeaPea has eaten all the watermelon in the yellow room. Wow, there's a huge watermelon. PeaPea loves it. Gotta find a way to eat the watermelon. PeaPea's sulking now, not even bothering to eat. Let's see PeaPea go down the slide. Oh no! Where did PeaPea slide to? That was so much fun! But why is there a fire sign? PeaPea doesn't care. He keeps eating watermelon. Oh no! What happened to PeaPea like this? Oh no! PeaPea's little brother is locked up! PeaPea heard his brother's voice. Oh my god! PeaPea is so clumsy! PeaPea tried hard to break the Lego wall, but failed! Thank goodness! PeaPea's little brother escaped!
John is currently battling PeaPea. Let's go!
Ready, fight!
PeaPea loads blue bullets into the tank and aims at John. John successfully dodges PeaPea's first series of bullets. Now it's John's turn. Oh no! A banana peel covers the barrel of PeaPea's tank gun. PeaPea switches to a yellow tank and fires a continuous series of yellow bullets at John. The yellow bullets have jammed John's tank, rendering it immobile. gets hit by an M&M candy bullet. PeaPea's yellow tank is also damaged. PeaPea still has one more red tank. John, look here! Huh? The red bullets cause John's tank to explode. PeaPea wins!
Wow, that burger looks so delicious. PeaPea can't eat John's burger without permission. If PeaPea wants to eat a burger, then don't guard it like a gatekeeper. Wow, so many candies! PeaPea is really mischievous. John is back! What should PeaPea do now? PeaPea doesn't want ice cream, John. It turns out PeaPea has candies in his mouth, so he can't eat ice cream. PeaPea can't finish all these candies. He decides to put them back into the vending machine. Oh no! The vending machine is shaking violently! This is all on PeaPea. John's really mad.